Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 4t and its whole square root is equals to 4 times of square root of t, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, first we find the roots of this equation, and for this we need to remove the square root sign, which is lies on both of the sides. So for this we will apply a squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring, it will be written as 40 square root and its whole square is equals to 4 times of square root of t and its whole square. And further, in the next step, we have here we apply this square separately on both of these two terms, and you see here this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 4t is equals to, here we apply square on both of these two values, it will becomes here 4 square into square root of t and its whole square. And now in the next step we have this is 4t is equals to this 4 square becomes 16, this 2 and square root are gone, and here we obtain t only. And now further in the next step we have here we need more simplifications. And now we move this 40 from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 16t, and this is a 40. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes minus 40, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we subtract both of these two values, 16t minus 4t becomes 12t, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here for the values of t, if we divide both of the sides by 12. So when we divide both of the sides by 12, it will be written as in this form. So this 12 and this 12 are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here t is equals to 0 divided by 12 is equals to 0. So this is the value of t which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of t be the solution, or is this value of t be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 4t square root is equals to 4 times of square root of t. And here we substitute the above value of t is equals to 0 on both of the sides, and it will be written as square root of 4 times of 0 is equals to 4 times of square root of 0. So you see here 4 times of 0 becomes 0, square root is equals to 4 times of 0, and this implies that 0 is equals to 0. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of t is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is t is equals to 0. So this is the only one solution which we get here in the first method. And now we again solve this problem for the second method. So for a second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of 4 times of t is equals to 4 times of square root of t. So here our second method be the very straightforward method, and here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So here in this method we just apply the square root sign separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as in this form: square root of 4 into square root of t is equals to 4 times of square root of t. And here you see that the square root of 4 becomes 2 times of square root of t is equals to, in the right hand side we have this is 4 times of square root of t. So here we move the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. So we move this 2 times square root of t to the right hand side, and it will becomes 4 times of square root of t minus 2 times of square root of t, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we subtract both of these two values, and you see here we have a square root of t be the common term. So when we take common here, and we get the remaining values are 4 minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And from here we will get this is a square root of t into 4 minus 2 becomes 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation on both of the sides by 2 in this way. Okay, so this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we will get here a square root of t is equals to 0 divided by 2 is equals to 0. And now here for the values of t, we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring, this will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here t is equals to, this is the 0 square, and 0 square becomes here 0. So this is the value of t which we get here in the second method. So in the first method, we again get the value of t is equals to 0, and also we verify that in the first method, this value of t is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally, we have the solution set of this problem is t is equals to 0. So this is the only one solution which we get here from both of these two methods, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.